Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter 6, squares and square roots. Yesterday I explained certain properties of square numbers, and today we will discuss about some more interesting facts about square numbers. Let us start. Numbers between two consecutive square numbers. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. N and n plus 1 means two consecutive numbers are there which come one after the other. I have taken example. If n is equal to 5, then n plus 1 will be 5 plus 1 6, and you all know 5 and 6 are two consecutive numbers. And now we will see how many non-perfect square numbers lie between the square of 5 and 6. So that is 2n, and n we have taken as 5. So 2n will be 2 into 5, 10. It means there are 10 non-perfect square numbers between the square of 5 and 6. And if you want to verify, you can first find the square of 5 and 6. Square of 5 is 25 and square of 6 is 36. Now you can count between 25 and 36 how many non-perfect square numbers are there. You can count it: 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Thus, there are 10 non-perfect square numbers between the square of 5 and 6. So, the formula is 2n, where n is the first number. Now, next fact, adding odd numbers. If the number is a square number, then it has to be the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. Consider the following. I have taken 1. It is one odd number, and the sum of this is 1 only, that is the square of 1. Then the next, I have taken first two odd numbers, 1 plus 3, and sum of first two odd numbers is 1 plus 3 is 4, that is the square of 2. Then next I have taken 1 plus 3 plus 5. These are first three odd numbers, and sum of first three odd numbers is 9. You all know this is also the square number, square of 3. Then I have taken first four odd numbers, and the sum of first four odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16. And this is also, we all very well aware that 16 is a square number which is square of 4. So we can say that the sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Now let us take one example. I have taken this 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. All these are odd numbers and they are in continuation. So number of odd numbers is n, that is, how many odd numbers are there? 6. So sum of first 6 odd numbers will be n square. It means 6 square, that is 36. So without actual addition, we have added this and we found that the sum is odd number only. So if you will add it, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, you will get 36 only. Now next fact, a sum of consecutive numbers. A square number is always the sum of two consecutive numbers. Just see the example. First example I have taken, square of 3 is 9, and it is the sum of two consecutive numbers 4 and 5. And we can calculate where first number is 3 square minus 1 upon 2. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 upon 2, that is 8 upon 2, 4. And second number is 3 square plus 1 upon 2. 9 plus 1 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2 equals to 5. Now next example, square of 5. Square of 5 is 25. That is sum of two consecutive numbers 12 and 13. Where first number is 5 square minus 1 upon 2, 25 minus 1 upon 2, 24 upon 2 is equal to 12. And second number we will calculate in this way, 5 square plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 25 plus 1 upon 2. That will be equal to 26 upon 2, that is 13. So here we have seen that if a number is a square number, then it is always the sum of two consecutive square numbers. Now children, all these facts you will write in your notebook, and one more thing I am giving you as homework, all the try these given in your book in page number 90, 91, 92, 93, sorry 93 there is nothing, 94 and 95 you will do by your own. Then next class we will start with exercise 6.1. Thank you children.